Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George Rammer, the Queen Mary, an historical Art Deco place to stay. Come join us. Welcome to the Queen Mary. Woohoo! There we go.
After boarding this historic and haunted Queen Mary, you'll need to head off to the purser's desk and look for Burl Smith, Gopher, the assistant purser. But if you can't find him, talk to anybody. They'll give you the chain and keys to that marvelous stateroom. Our fabulous cabin was down by the isolation ward, in the bowels of the ship. And it's going to be nice and quiet down there, except for those once in a while screams of those isolated people. Yeah, and you also might hear the roar of the engines. But other than that, it'll be nice and quiet. After spending hours looking for our room here on this large ship, Queen Mary, we finally found it.
Here it goes. Let's go and do our room tour of the Queen Mary. Come on in. Welcome to our cabin 114. Yeah, this is pretty good because we asked for a porthole cabin, and notice we got our porthole. We got our couch. Now we can also second as a bed. It's a little bit hard. Do you like it hard?
Nope.
Oh, well, this is really uncomfortable, but yeah, it'll work. Other than I don't have a TV to watch.
And if I need to use a phone, I had to go to the upper deck to use one. But it is retro.
We do got two separate beds. I thought we asked for a king or maybe a queen bed, but a couple of singles. The nice thing about this is good for your back because it's nice and stiff. And I can sit here. Oh, this kind of reminds me of a movie, Fast Time at Ridgemont High, because what's underneath here. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think this is going to be a good room for us. We're going to stay here one night, but it was pretty cheap. We got this on a discount. It says, when I asked them, I said, what is your cheapest room you got? They said this room would be the cheapest one. Easy for you to come down and stay in. Yeah, and if you notice on here, it even has heating and air conditioning. So what else can you ask for? Take a look at this up here. There it is. Oh, not much is blowing right now though, but I can focus one on one bed, one on the other bed. And Terry can have the top. This thing is we got our sink, a mirror. How you doing? Yeah. This is the creme de la. This is like the best room ever. From the Queen Mary to the Carnival Firenze, right there. Now you can see a bigger ship.
Whoa, let's put some brakes on this parody because something astray happened when we were in this room. While we were doing this parody, we heard two distinct EVPs. Now these aren't fake ones that I kind of make up sometimes behind my voice. Yeah, it's George. I didn't do that. While we were editing, we heard these and it creeped us out. When Terry put on the earphones to listen to it as I was editing, she said, that's weird. And it is kind of weird that we didn't hear it while we were doing it, but as we're editing, they came directly out. And here they are. Let's listen to the first one.
Because that's nice and stiff. That's nice and
This first one kind of sounds foreign to me, so I can't quite understand what it's saying. So if you understand some foreign language, or maybe understand some spiritual language, what are they saying? I kind of want to know. Now the Queen Mary did have Germans on this ship. During World War II, they transported American soldiers over to Europe and took German prisoners of war back to America. So this could be a German voice that was in this infirmary. The second voice, it was very distinct and kind of creepy, because in that deep, grumbly voice, this is mine, or mine, if it's in English. Yeah, it's basically saying when I was laying on that bed, that was his realm, and basically his kingdom. So I laid on that bed, he made sure I knew it was his. is mine.
Somebody sit here.
So yeah, that makes sense. So if you hear that, tell me below. And Terry thinks it's that way. I showed it to several people. They think the grumbly voice is saying it's mine. And yeah, it makes sense.
Somebody sit here. Somebody sit here. Somebody sit here.
Now he can have that bed all to himself. I really don't want to share it, and that's hard and uncomfortable. And if I was going to stay there, I think I want some different company than a couple of ghostly people. I did have fun doing this parody though of the room. Though these EVPs were real, the parody was not. The Queen Mary has some wonderful rooms to stay in, and I really did enjoy my visit here. Now I do appreciate everyone for joining me today. And if you want to help support this channel, do me a favor. You know what? Buy me a Dr. Pepper. Yeah, that will help me stay up night looking for some more EVPs on my videos, or at least help me edit my videos. And do me a favor, subscribe if you like. Hit that notification bell, because that's going to forewarn you of some more of the cool videos that I'm putting out. And do me a favor, give me 2 thumbs up, because this is George the Fearless Rambler, trying to not be ghost at it again, signing off.